Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel at Design with Maha. In today's vlog, we will be looking on to main 3ds Max shortcut keys which are generally used either to create an animation or in order to create whatever objects we are going to work on with this particular software called 3ds Max. The first thing will be general user interface, as in with the name itself you can let it know that these are the general shortcut keys which are mainly used in order to create a rotation tool, or maybe when you are going to use a move tool, or these are the basic functions where you will be using it continuously in order to create an animation. So these are the sub selection tools which comes under general user interface, where you are using it regularly in order to create the animation process in 3ds Max. And second topic will be view, where you are going to view that particular object as in the final output, or maybe the immediate output of whatever you are going to create, as in the top view, bottom view, left or front view. These are the shortcuts for that. And then we have the option called editable poly, where these particular options come under when you are going to convert the particular object into convert to editable poly or convert to editable mesh. And these are the shortcuts where you have already used while creating the 3ds Max object. And then we have the main thing called quad menu, where you are going to convert this particular animation into an render or lighting or modeling or maybe an viewport view. And then we have the fifth option called material editor, where you are going to put some material for the particular plane object. So these are the shortcuts for that. And then we have key and time control, where we have the time control configuration below the tab. So these are the sub selection options which will come under key and time control in order to control the timing option for animation. And then we have viewport navigation control. We will generally work with an viewport where each and animation objects are being converted into an particular extrude or editable poly. So these are the sub selection shortcut under viewport. And then we have walkthrough mode, as in this can be used generally to either walk through a particular object, or when you do go for a camera control you can use this shortcut. And then we have this option called virtual viewport, as in the viewport is a place where you are going to work with the objects or create a new object for the particular animation. So virtual viewport will be an immediate viewing of the final output of particular object which you have created in this particular Autodesk software. And finally we have this option called sub objects, which is the last subheading. You people will be using it as in very rarely. For example, insert or control B or delete and control H. These are the very rare options you will be using in the 3ds Max software. So it comes under this particular heading called sub object. So these are the main shortcut keys which you have to know in order to work with 3D animation software, or if you are already working this particular software called Autodesk 3ds Max. Okay guys, we have come to end of today's vlog. Hope you people found it interesting and educative too. If so, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you in the next vlog with the same software 3ds Max. Until then, take care. Bye bye.